I'm gonna miss these guys. They just got back into town from their Northern California home. And, okay, they gotta rub against me. Are you done? Okay. Yes, I already reviewed the peacocks. And I'm getting knocked over by a horse. Yes, look at my baby. You've lost weight, Dolly. I'm gonna miss you. You're such a good girl. Yeah, I'm gonna miss you. You're so sweet. Yes, you are. I'm gonna miss my donkeys. Kizzy. I'm even gonna miss you, you stinker. And I'm gonna miss the little one who says no. These are not them. These are my buddies. I don't know if you can even see in the sun, but I spent a lot of time hanging out. And this is my boy Turbo, the big stinker, the one who knows how to open gates and let all the other horses out. And he's the one that once picked up a feed bucket and threw it at me. He shook it, picked it up with his mouth, shook it, and then threw it at me. Because he was being a brat. So, anyway, I'm gonna miss hanging out with these guys. Even when they squish me. Even when they're brats. Anyway, thanks for watching. And I'm gonna get a couple more horse kisses and donkey kisses and get moving. Y'all have a great day. Thanks for watching. Oh, Dolly's coming to say goodbye and get kisses first. Or not. I didn't want to say goodbye anyway. All right. Bye, y'all.